Hey guys, today you're going to learn about an awesome side hustle that can easily make you $3,000 to $5,000 a month or more. I already have a student that was only with us maybe a month and he made $3,600 his first month. I have been using this side hustle for years. I absolutely love it. It's super easy and anyone can do it if you know where to find the products that you need, which we're going to solve today. Now this awesome side hustle is selling used appliances. Now I already know what some of you are thinking. Sounds good, but the biggest problem, the largest problem is finding used appliances that you can get cheap or free and that are in pretty good condition. Well, that's everybody's problem. But to give you an update, I have found an awesome supplier. So what we're about to do is start selling wholesale appliances. Now I will have 2 locations and this is going to happen in the next couple of weeks to a month. Those 2 locations, one will be down south, the other one will be on the East Coast. Now, guys, I'm about to show you just a fraction of what we already have. But the ones we're getting are a lot newer, a lot better shape. I'm talking about washer-dryer sets, refrigerators, freezers, stoves, ovens, even ranges that are retailing at up to $11,000. And you're going to get them for a fraction. Washer-dryer combos in awesome shape. They are in like new condition. Awesome appliances. Every color, every type of every kind. And I'm also talking about brand new refrigerators. Some cases, brand new washers and dryers. Brand new stoves. And you're going to see that. Still in plastic, and we're going to have those as well, and they are going to be to the point of being almost unlimited. Now I know that sounds too good to be true. I'll let you see some of them. I tested this supplier a few months ago and I just purchased about 31 appliances from him, and I just gave him a kind of a small order just to make sure he was legit. And let me tell you, he is legit. An awesome supplier. And like I said, when you see the condition of just the ones that I have and the ones we're about to get, because I'm going to add at the end of the video just a couple of the ones that he sent me lately. You'll be able to find these appliances and the pictures on 2 different websites right now. One of them, of course, some of you know, is my main online course website, CornerstoneApplianceTrainingCourse.com. We also are creating a new website, CornerstoneDiscountAppliances.com. So you will be able to find some pictures there. Now, of course, we won't have all the pictures. That will be next to impossible to do on a daily basis. But you will at least get a chance to see the appliances and see what kind of conditions they are. What kind of conditions they are in. They will be awesome prices. You're going to love the discounts, especially for the type of appliance and the conditions that they're in. Hey guys, I wanted to make a video of some of the appliances that we've gotten so far. This is about 40 appliances, and this old dryer right here is not for sale. I will put my hand on it. So don't pay that one any mind, but the rest of these are. I've got multiple washer and dryer sets. I've got some front loaders with the drawer underneath, and you're going to see some stoves. I'll just walk through here and let you see them. Here's a green gas dryer. Here are a couple of the stoves that we have. This one is a convection, works perfectly. Here's another one. Here's a couple of washer dryer sets. And we have several used washer and dryer sets. A couple of them, as you can see back there, have the drawer underneath. We'll sell a lot of sets. But like I said, guys, the next batch will be much better, a lot newer, and a lot better shape. I got an awesome supplier, so I will be selling used appliances on the East Coast and in the South. Those of you close to Arlington, Tennessee, whether you're in Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Missouri, Georgia, it will be worth the trip. Here's another refrigerator that we're selling right here. All of these will be at wholesale prices. Here's the brand new Samsung. We will be getting some of these in the very near future. Let me let you see the inside. Here's that Samsung on the inside. As you can see, it's never been used. Top, bottom, side by side. At the top with a bottom freezer. I do have some brand new items. This is a brand new gas stove right here. LG washer. It's a little dusty.